Hi, in this video I will show you how to quickly and easily add all trading pairs to your watch list in TradingView. Let's get started. In the bottom left corner below the chart, click on the Crypto Pairs screener. Next, select the exchange we want from the list. Then type USDT in the search box. A list of all cryptocurrencies traded against USDT will appear. Select any coin from the list and press Ctrl+A. All coins in the list will be highlighted. Then right-click and press Add All Selected to Watch List. Done, now all pairs will be there and you can choose and work with them. To add cryptocurrencies that are traded on futures, proceed similarly. Only write USDT perp in the search bar. To clear your watch list, click on these three dots, then, Clear List. Done. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. Thank you for watching.